Hey guys, today I'm at the Old Spaghetti Factory in Carmel, Indiana, and at first I wasn't going to do a review for this place, but the experience has been so fantastic I have to give a review for this place. So unfortunately I'm not going to be able to show you. I had the fettuccine alfredo with chicken, and the chicken was out of this world. It was like cubed, and the flavoring to it was just fantastic, and the texture was fantastic too. It was, I don't know, it wasn't stringy. The chicken wasn't stringy or anything. It just had a nice grilled flavor to it, and I'm not quite sure what kind of spices and stuff that they put in the fettuccine, but it had a fantastic flavoring to it. The only thing I had to do was put a tiny bit of salt in it. And I really enjoy it, and the service here has been fantastic too. Okay, so this is the Italian bread that they give you with your meal, and it's a very traditional bread that you get at most Italian restaurants. It's got a really good, it's kind of like hard and crunchy on the outside, but the inside is nice and soft, and you got regular traditional butter, nothing super fancy. It was good. I need to come back on because it was brought to my attention there's a little bit of garlic in the butter, and now that that was mentioned, you know, there was. And then for dessert, the Spumoni Ice Cream, and do you know how hard this stuff is to find? It's super hard to find. I love Spumoni Ice Cream. So for those of you that aren't familiar with Spumoni Ice Cream, it has pistachio ice cream in it, cherry ice cream, and chocolate ice cream. And some of them will have nuts in it and actual chunks of cherry, and some don't. I prefer the ones that don't have anything in it. Alright, so here is my first bite of the Spumoni Ice Cream. Ooh, it's real soft and mushy. It's got great flavoring to it too. I love the texture of it. It's almost like a half frozen kind of ice cream. I don't know if that's the right way to describe that. It's definitely not melted. Okay. Another word to describe this ice cream. It's very rich and creamy. It's delicious. Who am I kidding? It's delicious.
I like it.
All right, so here's a look inside the ice cream so you can see there's some of the green is obviously the pistachio, and then the red color is like the cherry, and then you've got chocolate mixed in there, which I don't think I've really gotten to yet. Okay, I don't know what they infused in this cherry Coke to be specific, because they don't serve Pepsi products, they serve Coke products. I don't know what. She said she was gonna put grenadine in it, and I'd have to say she put cherry syrup of the gods inside this drink, because it's delicious. And I know I said everything is delicious, but it really is. You have to come here to the one that's in Carmel and try it out for yourself, because if you've been to Old Spaghetti Factory before, you probably haven't experienced it like this, because the food is better at this one than any of the others I've been to. Okay, I'm just sort of pointing at the cherry, and blabbing.
Questions.
Okay, so this is my server that I had for my fantastic meal, and your name is?
Courtney.
And she did a fantastic job.
Thank
I got
you.
this Spumoni ice cream that I've been eating, and it's fantastic too. The whole thing has been fantastic.
I am so glad.
I have to say though, I went to the one that's in Cincinnati,
Okay.
and it's not as good as this.
Okay, well, tell everyone to come here then.
I will. This
Come
is
to Carmel.
this is a long drive for me to go though, but I'll do it again.
Okay, we
Yeah.
have one in Indy too, but this one's better. 'Cause I'm
Yeah, I didn't want to deal with the downtown parking. I was like,
Oh, yeah.
maybe not.
No,
So yeah,
This is better, guys. Come in. I'll serve you.
yeah. Thanks for the fantastic service.
Thank you for coming in.
Yeah. All right, so here is the bill for my meal. I did end up splitting the fettuccine with somebody, and I'd have to say it's a really good value for the quality of food that you are getting, and big props to the manager here and the waitress. I don't know who did this, but the dessert, this Spumoni ice cream, was absolutely free. We got 2 of them absolutely free, and just wow. Well, that was a look at the Old Spaghetti Factory here in Carmel, Indiana. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another episode of The Traveling Man.